I'm Mariama Jalloh from Sierra Leone. I came Indian. I came for an hip replacement. I've done it. Before doing this hip replacement, I was taken from the airport to Vaidam, and Vaidam take me to the hospital to do my checkups and everything. Finally, they said I should do hip replacement. So I've doing my hip replacement. I'm recovering now. I'm on my medical treatment. Also preparing to go back to my home county. I thank Vaidam. Whenever I have medical issues or somebody have medical issue, I will contact them. I will try to reach them. Thank you very much for everything.